along to make this easy face paint recipe. This works well for afternoon play with friends. You need 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 5 tablespoons of facial lotion, 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable oil, food coloring, small containers with lids, and unused paintbrushes. I found my containers at Dollar Tree. Mix the cornstarch and lotion together until the mixture is no longer lumpy. Add your vegetable oil and stir. Separate your face paint into your containers. Now add a little color to each jar. Make sure to test on a small area to make sure the child has no irritation to their skin. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.